guys, finally our summer vacation is beginning, taking you guys along. We are going to France. First we are going to the south of France and then we'll go to Paris. So that's the plan. It's me, my husband and my daughter, and I'm going to take you guys along. This is us. It's a pretty early flight, so it's 2 a.m. and we've reached the airport and the flight is at around 4:30. So yes guys, very excited. You guys know how much I love Europe. I've done like multiple Spain vlogs, so I don't want to do like long vlogs this time. Just want to do like one France vlog maybe. But yes, we've reached the airport. This is my OOTD and the little one's very excited. The whole idea was of course her vacations and the fact that we wanted to take her to Disneyland. And yes, she wanted to see the Eiffel Tower. So finally reached Nice. Very tired guys. It was an overnight flight. We're very exhausted. But here we are. The temperature is perfect. 26 degrees. Perfect. Hello Nice. So guys, we're finally sitting in the car. We have hired. This is the place where we pick up the cars from. And it's about 4 p.m. and very pleasant weather. Little like cloudy. Heading to our hotel, super tired. We'll freshen up and then head out. Let's go.
Buddy. Say hi, can you please?
3 exhausted people. Let's go.
Europe is not too bad.
Yeah, but you be careful. Welcome to Nice. It's beautiful, sir. This is the promenade, huh? The real color, see? So nice.
White, sometimes green.
Isn't this so?
One is dark blue and one is light.
Experience it so that when you write about it, what did you do?
This is 7 million people that make this film and takes it themselves and film themselves.
Here you get this.
He was filling it up.
Yeah, it's fine.
Hey, Mama.
Abu Azerbaijan. This is such a fun area. This is Old Town. So many restaurants, all open places where people are sitting having dinner. It's 8 p.m. It's actually 8:30 p.m. and it's buzzing. We've just had dinner. So we had Italian at that really quaint little place. But we came here and this looks amazing. Everyone's like, the street's buzzing. Now we are going to the promenade where the sea is. So let's see. Looks nice. That's the beauty of Nice. And I love that sunset is at around 9:30, which is great. Gorgeous. I love every street. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't know where my husband went, but I'm guessing they're somewhere around. Oh yes, I can see them. I can spot a little girl and that man. This is gorgeous. This is the promenade and it is stunning. How beautiful. This is the beautiful sea and it's so nice. The weather is just perfect, guys. Good morning everyone. It's technically day 2 in Nice. We were so exhausted yesterday. I think I don't know what I've vlogged also or shown you. It's 10 a.m. We're ready. I'm wearing this beautiful maxi dress. It's from West Side. It's from West Side and I really liked it, and I've of late really liked West Side's clothes anyway. We are first gonna grab a bite and then go to this place called Chateau. Going to Paul's. Wow, the daughter always deciding what they want.
Family breakfast time. Cheers.
Yum! You can see the whole town. Go, go. Huh? It's cold water. Wow, guys. This is a beautiful waterfall. And that's the town. So beautiful. This is breathtaking. So beautiful. Wow. Literally the top of Nice. The little one was cranky. She's gone to the shop to buy something to drink. And here is the beautiful Nice. Love it. Climbing the tree. Be careful, okay? Don't fall now.
It's right now.
So there's a kids area here only, and the kids are having fun. It's perfect. The sun has come out today and it's beautiful. Every corner of the city. Of course, too much walking for the little one. She needs daddy. Lots of steps, lots of walking, beautiful waterfall, and a stunning view of the city. And Nice is so gorgeous, especially the city part and the sea, as I showed you. So beautiful. So yes, we're done here and we're leaving now. Let's see. It's about, I'm on India time. What is the time right now? Anyway, it's somewhere around 1 o'clock. So let's see where we go now. Somewhere in Old Town or probably have lunch in Nice somewhere. We hired a car for 6 days so that we can do road trips also. So yes, we are gonna go. And honestly, with a kid, I feel a car is much more convenient than trams and buses, though they're also fun. We took the tram yesterday within the city because parking is a task. But you know, when you want to go, like tomorrow we want to go a little to a village nearby, and then we want to go to Saint Tropez, where we're not staying there, but we'll go and do day trips. For stuff like that, car is very convenient. Let's go. Beautiful market. Again at this place where people are chilling, sitting. It's a rock beach, but it's so nice. Look at that, gorgeous. Street markets, guys, amazing vibe. All the restaurants are next to each other. It's 9:30 and the sun has just set. Good morning, guys. So we are headed out. I'm wearing a beautiful dress. We're going to this village called Easy Village. I've put my hair in a bun because I don't want my hair to be ruined, but this is the makeup of the day, which has come out really nice and glowy. And I'm wearing the new, I wore the Velvet Teddy lipstick. Along with that, I'm wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Plump Gasm lip gloss, which has just plumped up my lips very well. So we've just come to the hotel parking. So it's about a 30 minutes drive, and this is my view. I think it's about 30 minutes, which is good, but it's a beautiful village apparently. Easy Village, EZE, and let's go and explore it. Is that Spotify, honey? Yeah, pretty village we are going. Let's look at this gorgeous view. We've almost reached Easy Village. And this is just stunning. So look! Just look at this gorgeous view, guys. So guys, we've reached Easy Village, parking the car, and we're gonna go to the botanical garden.
Maybe start straight. Okay, listen. You sit here. We'll pick
Wait
you
for
when we're
us.
coming back, okay?
See the paintings there. Such pretty ones.
Sit there and enjoy.
You love art, right? Come and see this art. Can you make this?
What? How
These are very beautiful
did they make
paintings.
it?
See. Yeah.
They're giving you a viewpoint.
Oh wow.
Start from here, okay? Which mountain is that? Which mountain is that?
That's the place where we're having our lunch, guys.
It's a full plate, huh? You have to
This is
eat
our
it.
lunch, guys.
What is it so much? There, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices.
You have an idea for the food?
Hey guys, so we just had a fantastic lunch at Easy Village at this hotel called, what was it called? Chevre d'Or. This was our view and it overlooked the whole thing. We had pizzas and it was fabulous. So full and so happy. This whole thing is quaint. You know, these village-like feel of this town is beautiful. This is actually one of the top hotels to stay when you come to Easy Village. Yes, had a really good meal and loving it. The weather is perfect. I think it's about 20-25 degrees. Really nice and sunny and this gorgeous view. So pretty. After that crazy meal, finally some Nutella crepes. First crepes of this trip. France is famous for its crepes, croissants, gelatos, everything. So of course I had to have it. Diet goes for a toss, but it's okay, guys. Holiday time. I'm gonna enjoy every famous meal here. So loving it. The weather is perfect. We've had a really good time and just chilling. I just heard someone talking Hindi for the first time on this trip. Spiritually turned. We are thinking of going. It's only 3 p.m. So we're thinking let's go to Monaco, which is nearby. It's also a really fancy town here and like a lot of bling there is what I hear. So let's go and see. Hello from Monaco, guys. So we have reached Monaco, which was about a 20-hour drive from Easy Village. Here we have come to this oceanographic, what is this called? Oceanographic museum, which is like an underwater aquarium kind of a thing for kids. So I thought Sarah would love it.
What's there in this place?
This is where we are. Oh, there, look at the big one coming your way. Yeah.
Pink and orange. Pink and yellow.
Oh my god.
You like that? You want to eat that?
No, that's not huge. Look at that. It's about.
Wait, there are two more coming out, huh? Say.
You will do the one which is born now.
I love it. So beautiful. The sting करती है. So this is a real turtle. And this is the gorgeous view, guys. This place is stunning. Must come with your kid because my daughter is loving it. There she is, loving the view.
careful.
So this is the very glamorous Monte Carlo. I mean, it's really full of glam, guys. The amount of cars, the kind of cars that are coming in, the stores, everything is really top notch. It's the billionaire city, billionaires country apparently. It's amazing.
I know you get excited, huh? But you know, how does it look? What does it look?
So guys, we just got done with dinner at this place called Cafe Milano, and honestly, we are literally only eating Italian. So we are only eating, look at my tired face versus in the morning versus now. It's 9 p.m. and it's still not completely dark. We are done with dinner. But I love that it's daylight. Like even, like right now looks like an evening. It looks like 6 o'clock. But it's 9 o'clock, 9:10 actually. We are walking back to the parking where we parked our car. Honestly, having this car has been such a good decision. We've stopped and we're not walking because the place where the parking is 10 minutes walk and we are really exhausted. So daddy is bringing the car and we're gonna wait. This is the vibe of this place, Monte Carlo. And look at that, these are all the yachts, guys. The private yachts. Yes.
Daddy's going to get the car.
Daddy's going to get the car. These are all the private yachts of people where parties are going on. Yeah, these are the boats. And this is the vibe. This is the restaurant we went to, Cafe Milano. The food was incredible. Like literally the gnocchi, the eggplant parmigiana and the truffle pasta. Everything was stunning. And this is a very glamorous place. It's the land of billionaires. And the cars and the vibe, the party, everything is amazing.